I realized that I've been using just 50% of what ChatGPT is capable of. I recently found out that ChatGPT can be a universal converter. You can convert text documents, whether they are PDF or CSVs. You can convert images, whether they are PNG or SVGs. You can also go ahead and convert your audio files and also your compressed file. ChatGPT is literally the universal converter out there. So today we're going to explore this universal converter and see how we can convert different file formats as we want. So without further ado, let's dive right into it and actually start exploring. Hi and welcome back to SkillCurb. This is your host Shamrez, and we're finally going to dive into the practical part and actually do the conversion using ChatGPT. So basically ChatGPT can pretty much convert anything, but I've chosen some really common formats that are used in a day-to-day life. So the first category is about document conversion. For the first test in the document category, I'm going to upload a PDF and ask it to convert that into a Word document. So let's go and see. So there you go. I have uploaded a PDF file and I asked it to convert the PDF into a Word document. So let's go and check out the results. This should be really simple. This was really straightforward and it gave us the link to actually download the Word document. So let's go and download that. And as you can see, the Word file is already downloaded. But that was just a really simple use case. What if we want to convert a CSV file into an Excel file? So let's go and actually try that. So I just uploaded this testingbowl.csv file here and I want ChatGPT to convert this into an Excel file. Let's go and hit enter. There you go. It actually converted the file into an Excel format. And if I click here, it should be downloaded. Now, if I open this up, it should look something like this. Let me zoom in a bit. So we have the data. This was just for testing, so I only have one record. But as you can see that this is converted into an Excel file already. So this was how you can convert documents. You can pretty much do this with markdowns as well. So what if I wanted to generate a story about something? So let's say, write me a short fairy tale story. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write me a story, and then I'm going to convert that text into a document. And for this, you can use Word document, PDFs, or you can even go with markdowns. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask ChatGPT to put everything that it generated into a markdown. And there you go. It's actually putting everything in a markdown. And later on, we can download this markdown file by clicking here. And as you can see, it is already downloaded right here. So this is by far the coolest way to actually convert any text that you generate, even using ChatGPT, into any type of document. You can pretty much convert text into any document. That's how easy it is using ChatGPT. And trust me, I realized this use case recently and I was really shocked at how accurately ChatGPT can do it. Now, this was all about documents. What about images? Can we convert different images like a raster image, which is a PNG or a JPEG, into a vector image, which is an SVG? That is a really important topic for graphic designers, right? So let's actually go and try out some use cases in the image conversion category. For the first use case, I have Ronaldo's image, which is in the format of WebP, and I want to convert this into a JPEG format. That's how simple it is. Let's just hit enter and ChatGPT will do that for you. And all you need to do is just click here to download that converted image and it will pop up in your downloads. And as you can see, this is a comparison. This was the original image, which is in WebP format. And we just converted this into JPEG format and there is no quality loss, which is really mind-blowing. Like, you can convert images into different formats without losing the quality of the image. I mean, this is really cool, but this is just one use case. What if I want to convert PNG, which is a raster image, into SVG, which is a vector type image? So let's go and do that. So I just uploaded an image about Agile Cycle, which is in PNG format. And I want to convert this into SVG. And let's go and hit enter and ChatGPT will do everything for you. We did get the SVG image, which I can download by clicking here. But if I scroll up, we encountered an error on the first try, which means that converting raster images into vector images can be a bit tricky, but ChatGPT can still do it because we have the final output. So let's go and check out the results. So as you can see, this is the source image, which is in PNG format. And this is the output image, which is in SVG format that we just got using ChatGPT. This is really mind-blowing. Although there are some changes in the vector design, but I think this is because we're converting cross-platform and otherwise it wouldn't happen. So this was the second use case that I really want to show you guys. And with that, I want to wrap this image category and I want to move forward with the music category. So for the first use case in the music category, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a song for me. And now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to convert this into a .mp3 file. And there you go, you have the output, although it did took some time, but let's go and click download and we should have the mp3 file right here. Let's go and play this. So apparently we don't have any vocals, but we do get the background music. Now let's actually go and try to convert this .mp3 file into a WAV format. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paste the same file and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to convert this into a .wav format. And there you go, we have the .wav file. Let's go and download that. So we have the .wav file downloaded. Let's go and take a listen. This is the exact same audio, but .wav file are huge as compared to the MP3 file, and it is one of the most commonly used audio formats. So this was the second use case that I wanted to show you guys. Now let's move to the next category, and the last conversion category that I have are the compressed files. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload a zip file and I want to convert that into a .tar file. So let's go and do that. So there you go, I'm gonna convert this into a .tar file. Let's hit enter. And this should be really quick because the zip file isn't that big. So there you go. We have the tar file here. Let's go and download that. It should be downloaded pretty quick. And that's not all. What you can do is you can convert the tar file back to any zip file. So let's go and do that as well. So I'm just going to paste the exact tar file that we just converted. And I'm going to ask it to convert it back to a zip file. And there you go. We have the .zip file right here. And if I download this, it should look something like this. Demo convert.zip that I just downloaded. So this was the last use case that I really want to share with you guys. And as I mentioned at the start of the video, that ChatGPT is a universal file converter. You can pretty much convert anything to whatever you want it to be. So with that said, I want to wrap this video up. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Ring the notification bell to never miss out on our daily updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay curious and keep exploring.